Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify SEO reporting with Looker Studio dashboards, full guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Google Looker Studio account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard you wish to verify. Review the data sources connected to your dashboard. Ensure that your data sources are properly linked to your SEO reporting tools. Click on the data source to check for any updates or errors. If you notice any discrepancies, refresh the data to pull the latest information. Next, examine the various metrics displayed on your dashboard. Cross-reference these metrics with data from your primary SEO reporting tool. Look for consistency in key metrics such as organic traffic, rankings, and click-through rates. If there are significant variations, explore each metric further. Check the date ranges selected on your dashboard. Make sure that the parameters align with the reporting period from your SEO tool. Inspect any filters applied to your data within Looker Studio. Filters can significantly alter the displayed results, so verify their accuracy. Once you've ensured all metrics align, note any areas needing further investigation. For transparency, document any findings or anomalies. Consider creating a summary report to simplify the verification process. Share insights with your marketing team for collaborative assessment. After cross-verifying, adjust any discrepancies identified in the dashboard. Finally, keep your Looker Studio dashboard updated to reflect the most accurate data continuously. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.